Lose belly fat in 1 week with this one ingredient, cumin seeds. Weight loss. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will share with you an effective remedy to lose your weight without diet or exercise. We need 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, juice of half a lemon, now mix all the ingredients very well. Now take 1 spoon of this mixture before you go to sleep. For best results, take 1 spoon every day for a whole month. The cumin powder will help you to burn fats. Oh, finally! I hope this remedy helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and make thumbs up for this video.